If your Chrome tabs suddenly feel too small, too crowded, or hard to click, this video is going to help. Today, I'm going to show you how to change Chrome tab sizes using a few simple methods, including the easiest fix, a Windows display setting, and an experimental Chrome flag that may make the interface larger on some devices. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the easiest method, because in many cases, Chrome is not really giving you a special tab size setting at all. Instead, it is shrinking the tabs automatically when you have too many open at once. So if your tabs look tiny, crowded, or compressed, the quickest solution is to reduce the number of open tabs. Close anything you are not using, especially duplicate pages, old searches, or background tabs you forgot about. As soon as you clean that up, Chrome usually gives the remaining tabs more space, which makes them easier to read and easier to select. This is the fastest fix, and for a lot of people, it solves the problem immediately without changing any settings. Now, if your tabs still look too small, the next method is to change your Windows display scaling. This is a really useful option because it affects how large everything appears on your screen, including Chrome's tabs and browser controls. To do this, right-click on your desktop and click Display Settings. In the display window, look for Scale and the Layout. Here you will see a scaling option such as 100%, 125%, or 150%. If your screen feels too small, increase the scale to 125 or 150%. This makes Chrome's interface larger, including the tabs, text, buttons, and menus. If everything looks too big, you can also move it back down to 100%. The key is to choose the scaling level that feels comfortable for your screen and your eyes. After you change it, Chrome should update automatically, and you will notice the tab bar looks bigger and easier to use. This is one of the best ways to make Chrome feel less cramped without installing anything extra. Now, for the third method, which is more advanced and experimental. Open Chrome, then type chrome://flags into the address bar and press Enter. This page contains experimental Chrome features that are not always available in every version. In the search bar on the flags page, type Touch UI. If the Touch UI option appears, enable it, then relaunch Chrome when prompted. On some devices, especially touch-friendly setups or certain screen sizes, this can make the browser interface appear larger and more touch-optimized, which may also affect tab sizing. But be aware that this is an experimental feature, so it may not show up on your version of Chrome, and it may not work the same way for everyone. If you do not see it, that is completely normal. In that case, just use the first two methods, because they are the most reliable. So to quickly recap, if you want to change Chrome tab sizes, start by closing extra tabs because Chrome shrinks them when the tab bar gets crowded. Then, if you want a bigger browser interface overall, adjust your Windows display scaling in the display settings. And if you want to test an experimental option, check the Chrome flags page for Touch UI and relaunch the browser. These simple steps can make a big difference if you are struggling with tiny tabs or a browser that feels too compressed. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.